32nd Imphal Book Fair began today at the premises of State Central Library, Kashampad, Imphal. The inaugural function of the book fair was organized by State Central Library in collaboration with Manipur Library Association, popularly known as MALA, along with various non-governmental organizations operating libraries across the state. Addressing the gathering, Art and Culture Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash emphasized the vital importance of knowledge and reading, stating that books remain irreplaceable despite the emergence of new learning methods. He said that while the internet provides useful information, complete and in-depth content of various subjects can only be obtained through books. He also underscored the need to develop strong reading habit, especially among younger generation. Highlighting the challenges faced by Art and Culture Department in operating state-run libraries, Gyan Prakash said that the department has been deprived of benefits from Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation for the past 2 years. He added that the authorities are facing difficulties in managing libraries due to limited budget allocations and stressed the need for judicious and wise use of available funds. The Imphal Book Fair is expected to draw book lovers, students and readers from across the state over the coming days.
Lariksi houji oinadi replace tawba yadri haina khanjai agi wakhandadi logicsina lariksina primary source oiraga atei hoigi online internet ta phangba information karikara mayamsi lariksi bu supplement tawba ngaktani internet amasung social media lakpasina akwai harm tawrisi kanano hairaga angang oiramdre marakki mi singse oilerame angang singsi social media si yenga da moigi sidi kadarni si mina sajalaga thajalapani sina fake account tagini natragana sina AI generated ni guys khangmanga meba whereas han singdi yam kana internet savvy oi damanina moidi khangde badana singarang poi net te ubani sungani haidna mayam khalleba si mayam si asingbagi akoina source either magi original page ta adu changaga mosigi paw si chumbra ani check tawama natragana larik natraga newspaper da si paw si chumbra ani check tawdoineba and larik si as of now is still very important.